Hi guys, Flo here and welcome to techbeatph.com, and for this video we're going to do a real world review and an unboxing for the first time of a dashcam. So we're going to unbox and review the Dashcam Drive Pro 130 from Transcend. So we're going to put this to the test in real world reviews. We're going to install this later in my car and see how it does. We're going to drive it at day and we're going to drive it at night. So do stick around the video and see what you think of it and if this is the right dashcam for you.
Unboxing and opening the box, we can see the SD card, which goes inside the camera to record the video. The actual camera unit, which records the video. We can see the emergency button and where the SD card fits in. We can also see the mounting hole for the mounting bracket to mount it to the windshield. The functionality buttons. Now, opening the second compartment of the box, you can see the charging cable, which we plug directly into the car power port. The mounting bracket, which we attach directly to the windshield of the car and supports the main camera body. And some documentation and instruction on how to properly install the camera, the warranty card, and some other materials. Installing the camera to my car is very intuitive. It's very easy to install. As you can see here, I've already installed it and are actually using it to drive around. The camera delivers very crisp, very nice videos when you're driving. You can also download an app which you can view the live footage from the camera directly to your phone via Wi-Fi. Here are some actual footage from the camera directly imported to this file. As you can see, it's very discernible from normal camera that we're using when conducting the real world review. Very nice, very crisp, very clear.
So there you have it guys, our review for the Dashcam Drive Pro 130 from Transcend. So with this excellent day and nighttime recording, which is absolutely the best for your safety when you're driving, it's live stream application which you can view the video via the app and stream it online. So we give this the silver rating. So if you want the dashcam, we can absolutely recommend the Dashcam Drive Pro 130 from Transcend. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and do give us a like. Also click on the notification icon for more things coming from techbeatph.com.